How to update Google Drive on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can update Google Drive on PC or laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're using Google Drive from your Chrome, then it does not have the direct option, or the Google Drive does not have the direct option to update it. But as long as your Google Chrome is up to date in your laptop or PC, your Google Drive will also remain updated. So to check if your Chrome is up to date or not, open up your Google Chrome, navigate to three dot icon at the top right, and here you have to click on help, then go to about Google Chrome. So here it says checking for updates and your Chrome is up to date. So that means the Google Drive is also up to date. If you find an update option here under the section, make sure to update your Google Chrome. And if your Google Chrome is up to date, your Google Drive will also remain up to date. So since Google Drive does not have the direct option, as long as your Google Chrome is up to date, the drive is automatically up to date if you're using Drive from the Google Chrome. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.